I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the project ready. Open your sequence and confirm frame size and frame rate so audio timing stays accurate. Next, paste your script into a plain text file and break lines where you want natural pauses. Once done, make sure the essential sound and text tools are visible in the workspace. These panels let you convert text and shape voice. This saves time later because Premiere relies on clean, line-separated text for consistent phrasing and easier adjustment of pacing. You now convert text into audio. Open the text or captions panel and paste one section at a time to keep control of timing. If using built-in speech-to-text or a TTS plugin, pick a voice, language, and speaking rate. Slower rates improve clarity, faster rates save time. Export or generate the audio asset, then drag it to the timeline. Make sure to align phrases to your edit points and markers so lip sync or narration timing matches visuals. This prevents later rework. Finish by polishing the TTS track. Tag it as dialogue in essential sound, then set target loudness and add gentle compression and EQ to improve intelligibility. Use volume keyframes to remove breaths or emphasize words, and insert short fades at edits to avoid clicks. Once balanced, export a test clip with video to confirm levels. If the voice sounds unnatural, regenerate specific segments at a different speaking rate or try an alternate voice. This targeted re-rendering usually fixes pacing or pronunciation problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.